Hey, it's Jacqueline here again. With Gusto's Concierge Plan, we offer powerful HR resources to help businesses stay compliant and take care of their teams. The HR Resources tab is home to our Resource Center. These resources include a procedure library, employee handbook, job descriptions, checklists, and training guides, which are easily accessible and can be fully customized for your company. The Employee Handbook can be a particularly useful tool which communicates company policies, values, and vision. There are two options to choose from. The Express is self-guided and ideal for smaller businesses, and the Professional is more in-depth and is reviewed by an HR pro. Both handbooks are delivered as Word documents, so you can update them at any time. Another great feature is the Law Updates Alert, where you can explore federal and state laws and sign up for email alerts about policy changes. To submit questions or speak with an HR pro about the business, go to HR On Demand and then Ask a Pro. And for all things Gusto, access dedicated support. This team of advanced care pros provide fast response time and really get to know the company. With the Concierge Plan, you get quick, reliable answers to your HR questions to keep the company and team in top shape.